Welcome to Mqlrobot EAS, where we build and explain automated trading systems with no coding using FXdreema. In this video, we will take a closer look at the RSI Grid Arbitrage EA. This expert advisor is designed to combine the power of RSI signals, grid trading, and multi-symbol arbitrage strategies. The main idea is to open and manage positions across multiple currency pairs, such as EURUSD, GBPUSD, and EURGBP, based on relative RSI levels. By comparing momentum across symbols, the EA seeks to capture arbitrage opportunities while minimizing exposure through a structured grid. The system works in groups of trades. Each group checks RSI conditions, ensures no conflicting positions nearby, and opens buy or sell orders accordingly. Grid distances are calculated dynamically, allowing trades to be placed in a controlled, step-like structure. Once profit targets are reached, the EA closes positions to secure gains. This approach is not only about capturing short-term RSI signals, but also about balancing trades across multiple pairs, which can potentially reduce directional risk. The combination of grid trading and arbitrage logic makes this EA unique among automated trading systems. However, it is very important to remember, before using this EA in a live account, you should fully understand the trading strategy, evaluate the risks, and always perform backtests with 99.9% tick data to validate performance. Stay tuned with Mqlrobot EAS for more EA development guides, strategies, and tutorials inside our playlist. Build a Forex EA robot, no code, FXdreema.